Tesla is not joking about building Optimus at an industrial scale. Tesla's Q1 2026 update letter, released today, confirms that first-generation Optimus production lines are now well underway at its Fremont, California factory, with a pilot line targeting 1 million robots per year to start. Of bigger note is a shared aerial image of a large piece of land adjacent to Gigafactory, Texas, that Tesla has prominently labeled Optimus Factory Site Preparation. Permit documents show Tesla is seeking to add over 5.2 million square feet of new building space to the Giga Texas North Campus by the end of 2026, at an estimated construction investment of $5 billion to $10 billion. The longer-term production target for that facility is 10 million Optimus units per year. Giga Texas already sits on 2,500 acres, with over 10 million square feet of existing factory floor, and the North Campus expansion is being built to support multiple projects, including the dedicated Optimus factory. The Terafab chip fabrication facility, a joint Tesla-SpaceX xAI venture, a cybercab test track, road infrastructure, and supporting facilities. Texas makes strategic sense beyond the existing infrastructure. The state's tax structure, lower labor costs relative to California, and the proximity to Tesla's AI training cluster Cortex 1 and 2, both located at Giga Texas, and now totaling over 230,000 H100 equivalent GPUs, means the Optimus software stack and the factory producing the hardware will share the same campus. Tesla's Q1 report also confirmed completion of the AI5 chip tape out in April, the inference processor designed specifically to power Optimus units in the field. As teslarati reported, the Texas facility is intended to house Optimus V4 production at full scale. Musk told the World Economic Forum in January that Tesla plans to sell Optimus to the public by end of 2027 at a price between $20,000 and $30,000, stating, "I think everyone on Earth is going to have one and want one." He has previously pegged long-term demand for general-purpose humanoid robots at over 20 billion units globally, citing both consumer and industrial use cases. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.